Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back with another video. Today our topic is how to clean a telephone in a guest room. For telephone cleaning, first of all, we need one pair of gloves, one toothbrush, one green duster, glass cleaner chemical, and the last sanitizer. Before starting, disconnect the telephone wire and place in a safe area. This is very important to avoid any damage while cleaning. Next, remove the instruction paper from the telephone. Keep it safely side so it doesn't get damaged. And we can place it back after cleaning. Always use a dry toothbrush to remove dust from the hidden area. Make sure you gently clean all the corner where dust can reach. Spray glass cleaner on the green color duster. Never directly onto the telephone. Gently wipe the entire telephone body until it's clean. After that, carefully clean the speaker area and all the button area where the duster cannot reach. Use the toothbrush again to make sure all the dust is removed, especially from the speaker and the microphone area. While cleaning the telephone wire, do not pull or stretch it, as this may cause damage. Always clean the wire very gently. Once the telephone is completely clean, do not forget to sanitize it so it's safe and ready for the next guest to use. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming video. For the till time, bye bye, take care and see you in next video.